coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, we know that horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Intersecting point of these two axes is called origin O. Now here these two axes divides the coordinate plane into four parts. This is known as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now in this, if you take any 2 points, let us suppose taking 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 in this first quadrant A, B. Now how to find the distance between these 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2? Now let us derive the formula to find the distance between 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Now let us draw a perpendicular from A to this x-axis. AK is perpendicular and BL is perpendicular to this x-axis, and from A draw perpendicular to this BL and say name it as M. Now we know that already coordinates of A x1 y1 and coordinates of B x2 y2. Now here O to K distance will be this x1. Now O to L distance will be x2. That is x coordinate value gives us the distance from y axis, whereas y coordinate gives us the distance from x axis. So here AK is y1, so that this LM also becomes y1. Now here the total B to L is y2. So from this you can come to know that this BM is equal to y2 minus y1. And KL is equal to OL minus OK, that is x2 minus x1. Now I will write here one by one. OK is equal to x1, O to L, OL is equal to x2, then KL is equal to x2 minus x1. It is same as equal to AM, that implies AM is equal to x2 minus x1. Here it is x2 minus x1. Now preparing this AM and BM is important. So that now BL is equal to, so first let us consider LM is equal to y1 and B to L BL is equal to y2. From that BM is equal to y2 minus y1. BM is equal to y2 minus y1. Now here triangle ABM is a right angled triangle. Now we know that by the Pythagoras theorem, this right angled triangle hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now here right angle is at M. Right angle is at M, so that AB is called hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is AB. AB whole square is equal to one side is AM, that is AM square plus BM square. We know that AM value is x2 minus x1, so whole square plus This is y2. Bm is y2 minus y1 whole square is ab whole square. So the distance between the points, 2 points AB is equal to the square on that side becomes root under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the derivation of distance between 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2.